There are 234 players in the Baseball Hall of Fame. About one-third of these men played at infield positions: first base, second base, third base, or shortstop. About how many infield players are in the Hall of Fame, I'm going to explain. Okay, first we are going to put one-third of 234. And for that, we are going to put one-third multiplied by 234 ones. And we are going to put it in lowest terms. First, 234 divided by 2 is 117. 117 divided by 3 is 39. 39 divided by 3 is 13. And 13 divided by 13 is 1. So what Daniel is going to do here is to put 1 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 13 over 3 times 1, and then we
cross out.
And 2 times 3 equals 6 times 13 equals 78. So the answer is 78, or in other terms 78-1.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Parking lot A in 1/4 mile long and 3/16 mile wide. And parking lot B is 3/8 mile long and 1/8 mile wide. Which parking lot has the large area? I'm going to explain. So you have to multiply 3/16 times 1/4 equals to 3/64, and 3/8 times 1/8 is equal to 3/64. So they are equal.
Lays about 35 eggs in a nest of marsh, grass, and mud. But 4/5 of the eggs or hatchling will fall prey to raccoons, wading birds, or large alligators. How many of the 35 eggs will hatch and survive? I'm going to explain this. First, we need to do 4/5 over 35. Then we need to do 4/5 times 35 over 1. Then we need to put it in lowest terms. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and divided by 2 is 1. So here we put 2 times 2. And 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. And here you can divide it these ones. So you only put 5 times 1. Then you cross out the 5 and the 5 because they are the only like numbers. And the answer is 28 over 1. In other terms, only 28. So 28 will hatch and survive. That's all.
An adult male alligator may weigh 400 pounds. A newly hatched alligator weighs only 1/8 pounds. The adult weighs. How many times the hatchling? I'm going to explain this exercise. So it's 1/8 divided by 400. So it's 1/8 times 1/400 is equal to 1/3200. That's it.
I'm going to explain this exercise by letting you know that the income in January is 4,575, in February 4,312, in March 4,988 April, 4,530 in May, 4,320 in June, 4,888 in July, 5,540 in August, 3,732 in September, 4,170 in October, 5,512 in November, 4,975 and in December, 6,400. I explain this exercise by letting you know that the family income is that the taxes are 1/4, the clothing are 1/8, the savings are 1/16, others 1/28, the food 5/16, and the rent 1/50. We are going to explain this exercise.
So the first question is what was the family's total income for the year? So we add all the income of the month, and so the result is 58,000. In the next question is find the amount of the family's rent for the year. So is 58,000 divided by 1/5. So 58,000 divided by 1 is 58,000, and 58,000 is divided by 5. So is so the final result is 11,600. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to explain the first question, that is, how much did the family pay in taxes during the year? Well, we need to divide 58,000 divided by 4. By 1/4. But the division is 58,000 divided by 4. And the result is 14,500. So that's the taxes in the year. And in question B, is how much more did the family expend on taxes than on the rent? So we subtract 14,500 that are the taxes, and the rent, that is 11,600, and it gives us 2,900.
Yep, that's it.